Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can register Seagate hard drive for warranty. So the first thing, you need to go to the seagate.com website. This is the official website of Seagate. And then what you'll need to do is click on support. Right here you'll need to wait a little bit to load. After that, scroll down and you will see Seagate product registration. Click on that one. And basically right here, you will need to select a country location. So select the right country. For the preferred language, select your language, France or English. And then you'll need to put serial number, email address, first name, last name, zip code, phone, and place of purchase. So it is retail store, internet retailer, or value added reseller or other. And then you'll need to check all these marks and register the product. And if you don't find a serial number, you can click right here and basically you'll find serial number. It will show you where to find to. And as you can see, you'll have a QR code, or just basically if the drive is connected to your Windows PC, you can take the SIA tools to find your driver's serial number. Or if you don't have one, you can search on HDD, like opening your computer case. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and see you in the next one.